Grand Rising, everyone. I gotta walk to the bus stop. Once again, y'all, I love catching a bus. So if anybody got a problem with the fact that I like catching a bus, that's on you. So sorry. But yes, you guys, I have to walk to um I have to walk to the bus stop to go to Walmart because that's what I want to do. But welcome back to my channel, Life with Tiki. And today we're going on an adventure to Walmart and have to get here by 10:41 or I'm going to miss the bus. So I'm just walking there now. Hopefully I get there on time, you guys. Whew, my legs is killing me. My legs always kill me every time I walk. But we're going to get there. I don't know what I'm going to buy from Walmart. So we shall see once I get there. It still touched me. But yes, you guys, I hope you guys are having a good day today. And I will see y'all when I get there, okay? So y'all, I made it to the bus stop on time. I'm kind of a little sweating a little bit, but that's okay because I made it here on time. And yeah, I will see y'all when I get on the bus. And don't mind my lips; they look crusty. I ain't put no comments on yet, so I'm so sorry. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have something in my lips. Y'all, I feel so out of place. I'm over here at Walmart, right? And I was standing on the other side trying to cross the street, but it was no crosswalk over there, so I had to literally. I just felt slow just now because at the end of the day, yeah, it's just weird over here. That's what I'm gonna say. It's really weird. I never been over on this side to like cross the streets because I haven't been in a Walmart in so long, y'all. It don't make no sense how long I have not been over here. It just feels weird crossing the street over here and all that. And I seen two people that took the other route that the way I just took. It's crazy, y'all. It's real crazy out here. So I'm finna try to see if I can find some fireworks for us to um you know get some stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna look over here and see what they got before I actually go into Walmart. So yeah. So yeah, I just explored the fire tent thingy majiggy, whatever the little tent firework tent, and they got some expensive stuff over there. I don't think my pockets can handle that. And I ain't really trying to do too much either. I just want to get something small so my kids can enjoy it. So I don't even know why I went over there looking when I know I can go into Walmart and find something way better. It may be, I don't know, but yeah, I'm at Walmart now. So yeah, I'm gonna enter into Walmart right now. So yeah, I'm in Walmart as y'all can see behind me. We're gonna see how much these fireworks cost. $40. I don't know. We're gonna keep looking. Yeah, so this what I got right here. Just a little mini package or whatnot. Not trying to do too much for real. Cause hello y'all. I have been on several buses and I did not record. The last time y'all seen me I was at Walmart and then I end up calling someone. But that's besides the point. Um yeah, you guys. Now oops, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Now I'm waiting for the other bus to come and get me so I can go home. Um, yeah, definitely waiting for the other bus to come. I don't know what's going on with my nose. I don't know why my nose is breaking out so badly. But yes, you guys, I have 15 minutes for the next bus to come. So I'll just be waiting here for 15 minutes. But I enjoyed it. I have to catch the bus again later today. Like when I get back home, I'm gonna have to come back out and catch the bus because I plan on going to Goodwill. I love Goodwill. But yes, you guys, I will see y'all at my next stop. Hello, everyone. We're back again. Now we're finna go to Goodwill. Don't mind the glasses on my head. It look crazy. I know. But we're walking to the bus stop now, and we gotta make it there before it comes again. So that's what we're doing right now. It's hot. It's supposed to rain, but hopefully it don't rain while we out. But anywho, you guys, we will see y'all at the bus stop. Yeah, we have gotten off the bus. We're just waiting for the other bus to come pick us, to come get us, to take us to Goodwill. And y'all won't believe that little one right there. Yes, she left my fan on the bus. I said I was sorry. I forgive you, but still mad. How much did that cost? A lot of money. $7. That's just $7. But yes, yeah, we do have that on the other bus. They say we have 2 minutes yeah. Okay, so now we're on the bus to go to Goodwill. Y'all, we made it to Goodwill. Y'all see it, yeah. Hello, everyone. We have left Goodwill and we have gotten on the bus, but we're waiting for the other bus, unfortunately. And it won't be here till about like 6:17, I believe. So we gotta wait a while. That's the suckest part about riding the bus on the weekend. It don't come every 30 minutes. It come like every hour or so. So we just sitting at the bus stop waiting for the bus to come. So yeah, she's drinking her water. She's down there. But yes, you guys, I'm pooped out. I'm ready to take a shower and put on some clothes, some fresh clothes. That's what I'm ready to do. I will see when we get off the bus. So you guys, we have finally got off the bus and we on our way home to light these fireworks. Yay! Yeah. Y'all, I didn't realize my mic was dying.
But my daughter that y'all hear, her mic is working. I should have got her mic and switched it out for my mic because her mic was working perfectly.
You guys make it's not open. Oh, white. There you go.
I can never get the white. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. We did a lot of stuff for the 4th. It's like a 4th of July vlog. You feel me? But yes, you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite part of this video. All right, you guys. Adios.